Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got a Cat 311D LRR that we have for sale here. It's a great looking excavator. Just came in off rent. Unit has a lines kit on it. If you want to put a hammer on it. If you need something like this, give us a call at 817-733-3799. Good looking machine. It's got a coupler on there also. Thank you, and God bless.